Hello, welcome to Wednesday, back on the Mk1, as always still back on the Mk1. Yeah, I'm really not good at those intros, am I? But anyway, you're used to them by now, hopefully, and how useless I am. So yeah, done a bit of work. Hopefully I'm going to try and show some updates and do a bit more work on this film. But I'm running tight, all the roof and stuff and other things have gone on a little bit in the evenings. So I do apologise. Sometimes I have to just do a little bit of a waffle and a bit of an update. It just helps me catch back up, allows me to think and everything. But well, first thing you see down there, hello, Sammy the spot welder. Thank you, Nathan. He's done all his scuttle now, so it's all looking good. The other thing that I want to show people is these. Look, I found holes. Had a couple of suggestions. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing. I was just tapping away after I was doing the roof, and pop, it went in. I was Then I saw some more, and then I saw another one, and then when I looked at the other side of the pillar, the same as on this side, it's got holes, and there's like some rubber bungs. You can't see them there. Let me show you those ones. There you go. So someone's done something to screw through. You know, so normally what you do is you make a big hole so you can then get a bolt through here. But it's strange that there's bungs in there. But obviously what's happened is at some point someone's done something to fit something. Someone suggested seat belts, but you've got a seat belt point up there anyway. Somebody mentioned interior lights, but it's weird that they're at an angle like that. But obviously he's had a respray at some point, so he's managed to get the holes filled in the 70s. And yeah, very strange. And then he's just obviously put rubber bungs in the inside, which is a bit strange. I don't know why you didn't fill the insides in, but to be honest, the inside still looks quite almond green, to be honest. So I don't know if he's, obviously I know he resprayed the outside in the 70s, but it wasn't almond green, it was a different green. But yeah, very strange. I must catch up with the bloke. So yeah, can't see it, but I've done all in the door pocket down there, all that in the rear bin there. We've got the other side to do, so all that rear sill and everything, the sill was all solid now. As you saw in the previous video, if you haven't caught up on the other videos, I'm sure you have, Q-Rus has all gone off. You can see that, look at that, it's all gone dark now in there, which is perfect. I also just filled a couple of holes in with a bit of aluminium on the back. So that's all done, just needs grinding off a little bit just to smoothen it up. And yeah, so now we've got the spot welder back, so what I'm going to do is, in the next little part of the video, is hopefully just at least get the front end spot welded before we upload this video. So yeah, we'll crack on with that next. Okay, back to the front end, we've got Sammy the spot welder. So the obvious places that what you need to do, pretty obvious I'll tell you anyway, but we've got spot weld along here, spot weld along the A panels, and that's it. I think maybe on the original minis they may spot weld the scuttle up here, and then put the little panel cover on underneath. I think they might do that originally, but to be honest I've never done that when I do wings. I guess you lose a little bit of strength, but nothing much at all really. The bulk of the strength is down the A panels and along the inner wing. That really does it, so I've never had any issues, and it's stronger than a flip front anyway. So we do that side, we do that side, and we should be it. So we'll get the spot welder and see if Nathan's broken it. I'm sure he hasn't, Nathan. Have you, Nathan? You watching? That took longer than needed. Again, be ideal if this thing was shot blasted, you have no problem. The thing with spot welders is it's got to be absolutely clean as you can. Obviously you know me, I'm not a clean person. So yeah, what was it? Just mainly the problem was just inside these, underneath the gutter there on the inner wing. It just needs to be good clean contact both sides and as much as it can do all the way through. It doesn't have to be perfectly clean inside, but inside the two bits of metal, but obviously cleaner the better. But yeah, I've got a load of spot welds down there. That's not coming off in a hurry. It'll just have to do. So hopefully I'll win a few concourse shows. So let me just check the time, because I think I'm running out of time for even. Yeah, I've run out of time to do the other side, so I haven't really done much today, but it's progress. We've got the spot welder back off Nathan. I keep saying Nathan's name, not trying to blame him at all. A couple of people mentioned, or a person mentioned about maybe sealant the roof, bonding it. Whoa, go on, give it some rest. It might well be possible. I won't do, because I'm just too scared for that. But, you know, I expect if you've got a proper bonding person in with proper panels and knew what they were really doing, I think, yeah, I don't expect there'll be an issue, I don't think. Modern panel bonding stuff is just so strong, you know, they build cars with it. But obviously, the actual panels are designed to be bonded, and the joints are designed to be bonded, so I don't know if this is the perfect joint to be bonded, if that makes sense, but I don't know. Other people may contradict me, but I'm thinking for Mk1, we'll just run around with a spot welder anyway, even though it's effing heavy, so I may get Nathan round to help me spot weld. So anyway, all that waffling, I could have mostly done the other side, but anyway, that's the way it goes. So just a small update this week, that day anyway. Roof is planning to be in next Tuesday, so hopefully sort of Wednesday, Thursday next week videos, we can hopefully finish off that. So yeah, a few more bits to do, then it'll be time to start ordering bits. So anyway, everyone have a good Wednesday. What are we having for tea? What are we having for tea? Pizza. Pizza's good. I like pizza. Simple, lovely. Alright guys, sorry for the quick update. Bye bye.